Do you want to improve your singing? Well, I've created this module in the Versatile Musician called Singing. And this section consists of a variety of workshops and lessons that I've done over the years in singing. You'll learn to sing with a free and expressive sound, and you'll understand so much more about the mechanics of singing. And in my experience, having this knowledge really helps you to be able to sort out how to better sing. Singing is a section of the Versatile Musician membership where we dive deep into the voice and how to best use it. You'll learn how the voice actually works, and you'll learn the exercises that professionals use to keep their voices in tip-top shape. This section provides clear and concise instructions and gives tons of exercises and tons of examples with both male and female voices. Get ready to sound better and sing with ease. You don't have to be born with a good voice. Singing can be learned. Whether you want to sing on stage, the studio, or just sing a little better in the shower, these methods and techniques are proven to improve your understanding of how to sing and help you to get there. Get ready to sing more in tune, increase your range, and sound like a pro. Become a member of the Versatile Musician today for access to this course and many others. My unique, all-inclusive membership that combines a wide range of music skills into an easy-to-use site. Members get unlimited access to hundreds of video tutorials, meticulously notated print materials, practice guidance, and live support. The Versatile Musician membership includes 28 unique courses, 90-plus song tutorials complete with downloadable printables, over 1,000 unique tutorials, monthly live Zoom workshops on topics requested by members, and live support from me, Brenda Stokes. This is a one-person company, not some huge conglomerate, so I personally answer your emails and your comments directly. For a low monthly fee or an annual fee that gives you 2 months for free, you get to work on subjects like piano skills for singers, piano for beginners, chording, accompaniment strategies, rhythm skills, musicianship, piano technique and ear training, singing, jazz piano skills, specialty topics like country and folk piano skills and rock and blues, over 90 unique song tutorials and improvisation. It's called the Versatile Musician for a reason. You can come in anytime you want and pick what you need for your own personal needs as a musician. Check out the Versatile Musician today.